Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn off birthday notification on Facebook. First of all, open your Facebook application. Click on your profile picture in the top right corner. Go to your profile section and then you have to tap on this edit profile. Here you have to scroll down all the way to the bottom and you will see this option here, edit your about info. Tap on it and here you have to scroll down again until you see this option here, birthday. Just simply tap on it. Tap on this pencil icon and you can see this option here, public. You have to tap on this drop down and you can simply tap on this only me and then tap on this done and tap on this drop down and select only me again and repeat the process. Just simply tap on this save and then you are good to go. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to turn off birthday notifications on Facebook. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.